Welcome viewers, this is Raj Maths channel. Broad revision of basic maths concepts is being continued. In this video, serial 22 has been uploaded. The topic is exponents. Three raised to the power 5. 3 multiplied 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is called base and 5 is called exponent or power or index. Now if you multiply all these 3's, we will get 243. So 243 equals 3 raised to the power 5. We say 243 is fifth power of 3. In general form, a to the power n equals a into a into a n times. We define a to the power minus n equals 1 by a to the power n. Example is 3 raised to the power minus 4 equals 1 divided by 3 to the power 4. The negative index gets changed into positive index. This will be the process to change the negative power or negative index to the positive index. Now, a raised to the power 0 is 1. Any number which will be raised to the power 0, the value will be 1. Example is a to the power 0 is 1. Minus 1 raised to the even power will be equal to 1. See example, minus 1 raised to the even power, 6 is an even number and this will be equal to 1. Minus 1 raised to the odd power will be minus 1. Minus 1 raised to the power 7, which is odd, will be equal to minus 1. Now, there are 5 laws of exponents which are stated here. This side of the line we have written the laws and given one example each on the right side of this line. Have a look. The rule and the examples will be self-explanatory. Like a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, the power gets added on the same base. A to the power m divided by a to the power n, a to the power minus m minus n. Now the division can be written in this form or in this form. Both are same. If it is written in this form, a raised to the power m minus n, and if it is written in this form, it will be a raised to the power m minus n. A raised to the power m, and then again whole thing is again raised to the power n. This will the powers two powers get multiplied. A m into n is mn. A into b raised to the power n. The factors inside are a and b. So both get raised to the same power n. A by b raised to the power n, and both numerator and denominator are raised to the power n. Now in this particular topic, it has been felt that a lot of examples be given to make the concepts clear. You will see there are a number of examples here. If you have a look patiently later on, you will be able to understand how we have done it. These are another set of examples, though simple, but yet if you see a lot of examples, you will be able to understand. You may try the examples yourself and match the answers later on. Now one thing, in this example we have written in this form, and then we have also find the value. This is 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5, so we get 27 by 125. Sometimes we have to express in exponential form, then we write like this. Sometimes we have to find the value, then we have to go up to this. You can see another 4 examples are given here. You see them number of times and try to understand. These are self-explanatory, but they may take a little time to sink in. You can try once again to solve yourself these problems after you have finished with this video. This example is slightly different. We have to express 512 by 729 in the exponential form. We find prime factors of 512 and 729. These are the prime factors of 512 and these are the prime factors of 729. This is equal to 2 to the power 8 and this is 3 to the power 6. This is another typical example. 5 raised to the power x is equal to 125. This is a equation. Now we say right hand side 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power 3. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. Now these left hand side and right hand side are now equal. Base is same, 5 here, 5 here. So we say if the bases are same in this equation, the indices also must be same. So x will be equal to 3. This is the answer. Now this is an application of exponents, expressing any number in standard form with the help of exponents. Now 5986 can be written as 5.986 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 3. 32.75 can be written like 3.275 into 10. 5 lakh can be written as 5.0 into 10 to the power 5. This 0.0326 can be written as 3.26 divided by 100, and 100 here is 10 to the power 2, and when taken on the top it becomes minus 2, change of sign. So this is 3.26 into 10 to the power minus 2. Thus we can express any number between 1.0 and 10.0 multiplied by a power of 10. You can see here the single digits here to the left of the decimal, single digit to the left of decimal, and multiplied by suitable powers of 10. When the number is very, very long, say the distance of sun from the earth, so there will be so many numbers, and writing that and remembering that is very difficult. So we write it in standard forms, which is easier to understand. This is all about the exponents. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please come up with suggestions so that we can improve our videos.